JWST just captured something that looks like a cosmic embryo, but it's not a beginning. It's an ending, and it's one of the rarest configurations in our entire galaxy. For 7 years, we thought we knew what we were looking at. We were wrong. Hidden at the center are 3 dying stars. 2 so rare that only 1,000 exist among 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. By the end, you'll understand why astronomers call this one of a kind, and what it reveals about the most violent stellar deaths in the universe. Finding even one Wolf-Rayet star is noteworthy. Finding 2 in the same system, astronomically improbable. Out of 100 billion stars, only 1,000 are Wolf-Rayets. That's 0.0000001%. These massive stellar monsters, 25 times our Sun, burn so hot their stellar winds tear them apart from inside. Here in Apep, there are 2, locked in a 190-year orbital dance, 6 times longer than any similar system ever discovered. But there's more. A 3rd star, a supergiant 40-50 times our Sun's mass, carves a funnel through the chaos. You can see its fingerprint in the JWST image. The story begins in 2018, when astronomers thought they'd found something unusual. They had no idea how unusual. Using the Very Large Telescope in Chile, a team spotted a bright source with a glowing dust spiral. They nicknamed it Apep, fitting for one of the most chaotic stellar systems ever observed. But they could only see one spiral. Optical telescopes are limited to visible light. Much of Apep was hidden in infrared wavelengths. The team suspected more spirals existed, but they couldn't prove it. For 7 years, Apep's true nature remained obscured. That changed in 2025, when JWST turned its infrared gaze toward Apep, and the cosmic curtain was pulled back. What appeared as one spiral was actually 4 cosmic tree rings, marking 700 years of close encounters between 2 of the rarest stars in the galaxy. So what exactly are Wolf-Rayet stars? They represent the most extreme stellar phase. Massive stars, 25+ solar masses, that have burned so hot they've stripped away outer hydrogen layers, exposing helium and carbon cores. Their stellar winds are catastrophic, ejecting Earth's mass every few hours. Think of a bonfire so hot it consumes itself. The Wolf-Rayet phase lasts only a few 100,000 years, a cosmic blink. That's why they're so rare. But here's where Apep gets truly unusual. Most Wolf-Rayet binaries orbit in 2 to 30 years. Apep's take 190 years, 6 times longer than the next longest system. Every closest approach, their stellar winds collide with tremendous force, creating a shock front that cools gas enough for dust to form. Because they're orbiting, that collision zone rotates, creating a pinwheel. Over 25 years, one spiral forms, expands outward, while a new one begins. Cosmic tree rings. Each marks 25 years of stellar violence. JWST revealed 4 spirals spanning 700 years. The innermost formed in the last 25 years. The outermost around 1325, when the Aztec Empire was beginning. We're looking at a time capsule. Each shell expands at 1,500 km/s, 0.5% light speed. But there's one more player. That 3rd star isn't passive. Its massive gravity actively shapes the system. As it orbits, it carves a funnel through the dust spirals, visible between 10 and 2 o'clock. A cosmic sculptor cutting through nested shells like a knife through silk. All 3 stars are doomed. The Wolf-Rayets will explode first, possibly as gamma-ray bursts, the most violent events the universe can produce. Energy beams detectable from billions of light-years away. The supergiant will follow in its own spectacular supernova. 3 massive stars, 3 catastrophic deaths, all in the same system. And when the dust settles, what remains? 2 stellar mass black holes from the Wolf-Rayets orbiting a neutron star. The crushed supergiant remnant. A graveyard of giants. The black holes invisible except for bent starlight. The neutron star pulsing as a cosmic lighthouse. From chaos to silence. 3 massive stars to 3 compact remnants, dancing eternally in darkness. This is what makes Apep extraordinary. It's not just rare, it's a preview. We're watching 3 massive stars in their final act, creating something beautiful in the process. Those spirals remind us that even in chaos, even in destruction, the universe creates patterns. Structure. Art. The light we see left Apep around 6000 BCE, when humans were developing agriculture. By the time it reached us, those stars had been locked in their death spiral for millennia. 8,000 light-years away, 3 stars are dancing toward oblivion. And we get to watch.